When working in Premiere, it's great to know how to speed up or slow down a clip. And there is a really easy way to do this, and I'm going to show you how. So if you have your clip selected in your timeline and right click, you'll see an option called speed/duration. This is what we want. So there's two different options here, the speed, which is a percentage, and the duration, which is a number. It's a time frame. So here we have a 10-second, almost 10-second, a little bit more clip, and the speed's at 100. That's the starting point. If we want to change it, we can change either or, and it depends on kind of what your needs are. So if you know you need your clip to fit into a specific amount of time, duration could be the right choice for you. But speed is really easy to work with also, and it's kind of intuitive. So speed, if it's higher than 100%, it's faster, and if it's lower, the clip will move slower. So right now, if I change the speed to 300%, that'll be 3 times as fast. And you'll see the duration because they are linked. This symbol is a little link, meaning these two will be connected. The duration is now 3 seconds and change. So let's select OK and see if the clip is shorter. Right off the bat, you can see the clip has shortened in my timeline. And if I push play, it is playing much faster. So if I go back to speed and duration and mess around again, I can change my speed to 50%, and that will be slower than the original. And you'll see my duration has doubled here to 20 seconds almost. And if I play, it's much slower. And that's exactly what I expected. So you can use either or, like I said. So if let's just change it back to 100, see where we are. And if I want to change the duration to exactly 5 seconds, I can, really edit that to however I want. But you'll see the speed has reflected that change exactly. It's 204%. Okay, it's going to be much faster. And that's it. So that is how you quickly control the speed and duration of your clip. Like I said, I use this constantly, and it's really handy to know. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and check out my playlist in Premiere where I have a lot more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.